What's up everyone, it's Vitasta Bhat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's about 7:30 in the morning and I'm like this and I'm making this video. Why, you may ask? That's because later in the day my neighbors are gonna have a gala time constructing their apartment and there'll be like so much noise. I won't be able to film this video. And I'm sorry to show you my hideous morning face because you asked for it. So in this video I'm going to tell you how I improved my skin texture overall and how I made it less disgusting than it was before and what products I use on everyday basis. So let's get started with why I even needed a skincare routine. Actually everybody needs a skincare routine, which I did not know back then, and I just threw whatever came to my skin. I always had a combination skin, like it was not oily, it was not sensitive or very dry. Up until last year when I started using camera and making videos and all, that's when I realized that I really need to take care of my skin because I was spending late nights binge watching stuff and all that, and that really affects your skin also. I could really see my skin getting dull and lifeless and dark circles intensifying. So it was around December when in the New Year resolutions I thought I would add the skincare thing too, and I started taking care of my skin since 1st of January 2019 up until now for every single day. There's only two major problems on my skin right now. First is the dark circles, which is I think prolonged since many years now, and I have applied a lot of products on it. So nothing seems to help. And the next is this pimple looking thing on my face, which I made a mistake to Google about last night, and it was scary. Google actually scared the hell out of me, and this is not just a pimple, it can be something else, so I have to get it checked and removed ASAP. So yeah, that's pretty much why I needed skincare in my life. And a nighttime skincare is very important because at night you are sleeping and you don't bother your skin at all, so the products have enough time to get onto your skin and do their job. Most of my skincare contains of Innisfree brand, which is a Korean skincare brand, and it's 100% natural as they say, and it's mostly almost paraben free. So I as for my Korean obsession, I bought 2 or 3 products from Innisfree at first, and Innisfree gives you small kits as gifts, so you can try those products and decide for yourself which one you want. So after trying a lot of gift products from them, I finally settled on a skincare So after using a lot of gift products, I finally settled on a few of them, and I am going to list it now for you. So yes, the video is starting now. So the first step to every skincare routine is to clean your face with everything that is on it. You should use a good face wash that doesn't dry your skin, and this one does it for me. So I use the City Defender cleansing foam from Innisfree, which is around 1100 rupees. Yes, I know it's expensive for a face wash, but so it's this big. It's been 3 months I'm using this and it's not even half empty, so I think it will go on for another 3 to 4 months, so that is like 7 months of this bottle, and it is very good inside, so I don't think that money was wasted. The next best thing about this is the brush like thing it has, which helps to clean your face thoroughly. You pump this out and a little foam comes out of it, and you just rub it across your face for around a minute. You just focus on the nose and the forehead area. Best thing about this face wash is that it is not too drying on the skin, and it leaves the skin very supple and make sure the dirt is removed properly. So now I'm gonna wash my face. I am done washing my face, and let me share with you a little trick that I learned recently. I do not wipe off the water of my face using a towel. I just let it air dry so that my skin can suck into that extra moisture of the water itself. So we'll just... The next step into the skincare is a toner. I use this particular whitening pore skin toner from Innisfree. It is from the range Jeju Tangerine, from which I use most of my skincare products. This toner cost me 1700 rupees. I did not know until day before yesterday what toners actually do. I thought they are used to close your pores or something. Yeah, I learned that toners actually are like an extra helper for a face wash. They actually help to wipe off the excess dirt on your face, and they tighten your pores. It basically prepares your skin for the next step that is going to follow. So you just take some of it on your cotton pad and wipe off your face with it. The skincare range from Innisfree that I use is a whitening pore skin range, which actually helps in reducing the large pores, which is one of my main issues from my skin, and it also helps to take care of your uneven skin too. Moving on to the next part, which is the most expensive part of my skincare routine, is the serum. This is the same serum from whitening pore range, and it's a whitening pore synergy serum, which costs me 2250. See, I want to make it clear, I am not encouraging you to buy these products or expensive products only for your skin, but you can figure out what works for you, and these actually did work for me, so I did not mind spending. My logic is that I do not spend a lot on makeup, so I save that money and spend it on my skin instead, so I don't have the need to apply a lot of makeup. So now, what the hell does even a serum do, and why do we need it? Serums are more concentrated than a moisturizer, and they contain more active ingredients which can target a particular problem on your skin, so that a moisturizer does not do. This one particularly takes care of your pores and uneven skin tone, and making it look brighter and reduces dark spots. That's what it says. So there are multiple serums available in the market for different kind of problems, for acne, for dry skin, for wrinkles, for anti-aging and all of that. So this one comes with a small pump which pumps exact amount of serum that you need for one application. So I use my fingers to apply it on my face and then gently tap it into my skin. Now the most needed part of my skincare routine has come, and this is the eye cream from the same range, the Innisfree Whitening Pore Eye Cream, which is supposed to take care of my skin tone and dark circles, which doesn't seem to work. And I have spent 1950 rupees on this, and I take a little bit of it and pat it around my eyes, and gently in circular motion I try to absorb it. I cannot really blame it because it has definitely reduced the blackish pigmentation around my eyes, so it's not your fault. Skincare takes a lot of time to dry, so I really need those fan thingies. Next step is the moisturizer, and I use this face cream from Innisfree. It is different from that range. It was undoubtedly the best thing I had ever put on my face. It looks like a normal cream, but when you apply it, it makes your skin so smooth and velvety to touch. And it's actually an anti-aging range from Innisfree, which is for early signs of aging, that is from your 20s, so it is perfect for me. I really love this moisturizer a lot. This one is actually helpful to fight the early signs of aging, that is enlarged pores and pigmentation and wrinkles on your skin. Forgot to mention I got this for 2000 rupees, but I think it's totally worth it. Totally. Now coming to the best part of my skincare, and that is this sleeping mask that I bought a week ago from Innisfree. This costed me around 1350 rupees. This is actually a sleeping mask that you apply after your moisturizer. You apply a thin layer of it and go to sleep, and then wake up with a whole new skin. I'm not lying. This is the only product that I will tell you to buy. Trust me, and if you are not buying any of this, just buy this and you will be amazed by how well it works. This is my favorite product out of everything that I use because it has actually visibly shown results in just one night. It has a gel goo-like tendency. It absorbs in your skin like a mask, and you just go to sleep with it and there's nothing more you can do, and you wake up with a fresh looking, plumped, more brightened kind of skin. And I think this has improved my skin a lot in the past 1 week. I'm not gonna apply it right now because it's a sleeping mask and it's morning time. I don't want to waste it. Now lastly, I would like to do a few honorable mentions of the products that I still use sometimes and I also used before I bought all of this expensive mess. So these are some vitamin E capsules from Evian, and these are very popular skincare thing. You just pop one of these capsules and use the liquid inside it, 1 or 2 drops, mix it with some other oils. I use tea tree oil from Body Shop. It's actually very thick, so you have to wait till it absorbs in your skin, which it does in like 5 to 10 minutes. You can use almond or olive oil also, or coconut oil also. And lastly I apply this lip balm from Innisfree. It's a tinted orange colored lip balm and I apply it all day. It actually helps my chapped lips a lot and keeps my lips colored. So that has completed my whole skincare routine of morning. Despite of everything, just remember that you are beautiful in your own skin and there is no harm in taking care of yourself. It doesn't matter if you have acne or dark spots or pimples or dark circles, you are still very beautiful. You don't have to be too hard on yourself. So if you like this video, do comment your views on it and try subscribing to my channel for more videos. I post videos every weekend, so I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.